Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw a TRX from Robinhood to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your TRX securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to handle transfers like this is essential for managing your digital assets. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your device and that your Phantom Wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio section and locate your TRX holdings. This is usually under the Crypto tab. Tap on TRX to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It might be a button or a menu item, depending on the app's latest update in 2025. When you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the destination wallet address. This is where Phantom Wallet comes in. Open your Phantom app, go to the settings or wallet details, and copy your TRX receiving address. Paste that address into the Robinhood withdrawal form, and double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, you'll need to specify the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees involved, so check the estimated costs before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. Robinhood will process the transaction, and it should appear in your Phantom Wallet shortly, typically within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify your wallet addresses and keep an eye on any two-factor authentication steps for added security. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. By 2025, crypto interfaces have gotten even more user-friendly, making this process smoother than ever. There you have it. That's how you withdraw a TRX from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.